All right. What time is it, bro? Oh, hey, he's gonna jump. Oh! 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 Woohoo! Damn! Hey, that's a good one too, baby. Yeah. Hey, bro, right here. Fish on, baby. Oh, here he comes. Oh.
I'm gonna wrap around you, bro.
Okay, well we.
Hey, don't worry about it.
I was gonna say we might have to.
You come my way. Oh no, it's gone. You cut my line.
Oh, sorry,
no,
bro.
Really?
You'll get my shit back.
Hey, he's a big fish, bro. You I don't know. Hey, here. He's gonna pull us for a while, babe. There ain't nothing you're gonna be able to do about this guy. That's a big one. There's your weight too. Damn. Oh shit, your swivel got caught on our shit, bro.
You got me?
I think so.
Well, get my fucking shit
I
back.
got it!
Get it.
Look, it's right there, bro. It's on her line. See it? This is a,
Hey, that fucker's full, man.
hey, bro, that's a nice size fish. All right. Oh, he keeps running away from us. No, that's yours. That's your weight.
There's no way that's my weight. Unless it's really up that high.
I think it's because Jeff's line got tangled around it.
Shit.
Baby's got a fish on. Here, I'm gonna stay back away from you so you have room.
Stop moving!
He ain't happy.
No shit. Oh!
I'm going out, babe, so we can keep him out of this. Well, there's a bunch of pilings and shit over there. Ow! Here we are, June 7th. Bebe's got the first fish of the day on.
Motherfucker!
And he's pulling her. You're probably not gonna be able to reel much when he's pulling you, babe. That reel's old. It's a big one, babe. Look at me. Okay, babe. I'm gonna need you to turn your seat this way, over and around this way. No, yeah, this side, over here.
I was.
I know. Well, no, you were facing the other direction. I'm trying to. Oh shit! Oh no. Oh shit. He's pulling the boat around. He's pulling us upriver. Hey, he's pulling us back. He's pulling us back up river. You're fine. I'm trying. Yes, you are. I'm trying to get the pole out of the way, babe. Come back. Yeah, bring it back over on this side. You're pulling the log up now, babe. He's gonna run again.